Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest, beautiful and different design way crochet handbags designs and beautiful vibrant color and single color note color combination and color blocking. Just simple and beautiful decent crochet hand pouch and hand purse idea, easy to wear for carry and different style, like great look different. Here are some ideas for crochet handbags. A classic option, perfect for carrying and grocery like books or everyday use, and different and latest like beach bag ideas for this channel. And crochet a lightweight breathable bag for your beach trips. Choice vibrant colors and add uh, lining for durability and create eco friendly and latest ideas. So incorporate print tassels and unique stitch pattern for a bohemian look. So I hope you like it. Make an elegant clutch for so I hope you like it my video and subscribe my channel. So guys, different and decent veil review, and here are some ideas like shining and sparkle like glittery matte shade, different crochet pattern stitches and different styles. So I hope you like it. Craft a hand-free cross-body bag, great for when you're on the go, and create a trendy bucket bag with a resting closure. And this slouchy, relaxed bag style is great for a casual boho look. So use colorful granny square to concert a unique and eye-catching bag. So I hope you like it my video. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see these videos till the end. So like one style and different shades and single shades like hand handle is beautiful like round and different shapes and different styles like clutch style, like purse style and pouch style, easy to wear like function and your basic products like makeup products and your cell phone, easy to carry for this crochet handbags. So I hope you like it. So like different and latest styles and uh, remember to customize your handbag with colors, embellishments and details that match your personal style and needs. Enjoy your crocheting project. So here are some ideas and beautiful style crocheting handbags can be a fun and creative project. You can use a variety of crochet stitches and yarn colors to make a unique design. If you have any specific question or need tips on crocheting handbags, feel free to ask for comment section and please mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet handbags like crochet jackets, shorts, sweater and long gowns and crochet earrings, crochet necklace, like different styles for this channels and beautiful review for viewers so helpful reviews for your comfort zone and easily carry and different style. So I hope you like it, my videos and my reviews, and more latest and stylish ideas for girls and the women's, like different latest styles, looks, and here are some more crochet handbags ideas to spark your creativity. And use bright yellow and brown yarn for that cheerful sunflower look, and experiment with different shadows of a single color to create an umbrella effect on your handbags. This adds a subtle and stylish touch. And geometric pattern like designer handbag elegant. So like different and latest styles, looks, and flower can add a touch of elegance and femininity to your design. So different and latest long fringe elements into your bag, design for a bohemian frizzy strip look, and different latest classy and trendy design experiment with different colors combination. So guys, please keep sharing and so I hope you like it. Remember to choose yarn, texture and color that match the style you want to achieve, and do not hesitate to mix and match different ideas to create a unique crochet handbags that reflects your personality and taste. Happy crocheting!